Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Razer BlackWidow Tournament Edition Chroma. So this is not a review, not even a quick review. I'm just unboxing to let you see what we find in the box, how it looks and so on. Of course I will give you an update. So check in the feedback area below. After a couple of weeks or so I will let you know what I think, what's my experience with that and so on. But at the moment at least I'm not planning for a review video, so this is just for everybody who wants to know what's in the box. So here you have the box description. If you want to see that, of course you will probably know what it is. Special features of this keyboard: we get some kind of letter, maybe there's even some information, email, website and so on. And what's really nice, we get the keyboard in this really nice box, which I have actually never seen something exclusively like that. I mean, that's really awesome. It's even difficult to open that. Has this nice green zippers or zipper handles. It has this logo here. So yeah, it's a nice carry bag if you are if you are visiting gaming tournaments or something like that. So you can see it's protected. Here the case has even additional thing what you can put something in. Let's see what that is. That's maybe CD-ROM. Let's take it out and see. It's hard to find, so we have to open it from the back, and then we get all the information. So no CD-ROM, there's just really nice information, and that's some kind of rewards program as it looks like. What do we have here? World's first mechanical switch designed for gaming. Yeah, a lot of explanation, contact information, different languages. So I put this on the side so we get access to the real nice stuff. Here is the keyboard. Showing you that. So that's massive. It's really heavyweight. So I'm showing you that from the front. It's really thick. This side. From the back there are no plugs or something like that. I mean, no outlets. And this is, I think, a mini USB, but we get a cable anyway. Also this side, no USB plugs or something like that. Here in the back, let's check that as well. So we have this nice rubber feet, 5. Here one in the middle. On the top there's no one. Here we also have one, and here we get another one. Here the description, hope you can see that. And yeah, here we have some flaps which you can use to make it higher. So I think it's just one setting. There's nothing in the middle. Yeah, maybe you can use this. It's hard to tell. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Probably that's just one one level if you want to raise it. So that's about it. What you can increase the pitch. Easy to pull up and down. Keyboard, definitely mechanical keyboard. You can hear that. I really like that. That sounds good. Yeah, awesome design. I mean, the print here is a little bit small, but I mean, it's illuminated, so you shouldn't have any kind of problems. And here, of course, the USB gold plate, and this side protected and also some kind of gold plated. So it looks really nice. Everything, yeah, it's not cheap, but you get a lot. I mean, that's massive. That's a heavyweight. That's not a toy. That's for pros and pro gamers. Yeah, no doubt about that. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.